Hello, today I'm going to guide you on how to create a target chart in Excel. Select the data table. Go to the Insert tab and click on Recommended Charts. Choose a clustered column chart and click OK. Delete the chart title and grid lines. Right-click the chart and select Change Chart Type. Choose Combo. Set the actual series to clustered column. Set the target series to line. Right-click the line and select Format Data Series. Click the paint bucket icon. Choose No Line. Go to the Marker tab. Expand Marker Options. Choose the built-in option. Change the type to a horizontal line. Set the marker size to a number close to 40. That S of chat like and follow for daily tips. And that's how you can easily create a target chart in Excel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.